Hello, my name is Wayne Alexander, and today we're going to be taking a look at articles in CRM 2011. I'm going to be using the web version to show you this training video, but I can confirm it's exactly the same process in the Outlook version. Now, articles work on an approval basis, which means users, depending on what security roles they might have, will have the ability to create an article. And again, depending on the security roles they have, they'll have the ability to approve an article. And approving an article basically means making the article available for organizational use. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create an article, and I'm in the workplace area CRM, and I'm going to go ahead and click on articles, and then I'm going to go ahead and select new. Now, when you're creating a new article, the system allows you to use a template, either procedure, question and answers, solution to a problem, or standard KB article. I'm going to go ahead and select standard KB article, and I'm just going to go ahead now and click OK. Now, you'll notice that title is a business acquired field. Try to be as descriptive as possible. So I'm just going to simply call this article how to create a knowledge based article. Trying to be as descriptive as possible. You'll notice that the subject is also a required field, so I'm going to put in the subject, and the subject is just a way of categorizing your article. So I can choose from default subject, CRM bug, or questions and answers, and a sysadmin will have the ability to create these subjects. For the moment though, I'm just going to select default subject and click OK. You'll notice actually when I clicked away after typing in the title name up here, the system automatically put the name in the knowledge base in this particular article. We have keywords, and keywords is what the system uses to search for a knowledge base, to search for an article, I should say. So I'm just going to type in here knowledge base article as my keywords. And I'm not going to go through and completely fill in this particular article, but you've got a section for your summary, so I'm just going to put in there summary section, and you've also got a section for additional comments. So I'm just going to type that information in there. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And when I hit save, please pay attention to the buttons in the article ribbon. You'll also notice that you have a notes section for your article where you can add notes and attach documents to an article, and you've also got your comments section where you can add an article comment. You'll notice that when I click on the comment section, the CRM ribbon for article changes because it's a smart user interface ribbon, and you have the ability to add an article comment as well. If I jump back to the article now, when you create an article, depending on if you have the permissions, you can go ahead and hit submit. And when you hit submit, the article goes into a draft stage. And I'm just going to close the article for a moment just to show you. So if I go to the views, we have all articles, draft articles, published articles, unapproved, and unpublished articles. If I was to go into my draft, it's disappeared at the moment. Why? Because I've submitted the article, so now it should be in the unapproved articles, and there it is. So when you click on, if I open up the article again, when you click on save, it puts the article into the draft view. When you click on submit, it puts the article into the unapproved article view. Now, someone in the organization would have the ability to approve these articles, and if so, they'll go into the article, the approve button would be activated, and they'll simply click approve. And approve means making this article available for the entire organization. Now, if I was to come out of the article again and go to my publish articles, you will see how to create a knowledge base article is there. So depending again on your security permissions, you'll be able to either submit, approve, and also unapprove articles. So I'm going to go back into that article one last time just to show you that you can also reject an article or you can unpublish an article. What is unpublished used for? If you want to delete an article out of the system, if it's already been approved, you must unpublish the article before it can be deleted. You can never delete an approved article. It must be unpublished first and then deleted from the system. Okay, so we've created our article. Articles could be used for cases, and it could also be used, and I've done a video on this, to import an article into an Outlook email. But I'm just going to show you exactly how it works with cases. So all I'm going to do is just jump over to services, jump to cases. Let's pretend that this test case needs that article that we just created. So I'm just going to expand notes and articles, and I'm going to click on a lookup to add an article. Now, this is where the keywords come into play. Remember, I typed knowledge base article. Well, first of all, I need to tell the system that I want to do a keyword search. So I'm going to go ahead and select keyword search. I'm going to type in there knowledge, and if I hit, I'm going to change my exact text to use like words, and if I click on search, you'll see there's the knowledge base article that we just created. Click OK again, and now that knowledge base article has been associated to this case. Okay, so I've just showed you how to create a knowledge base article, how to submit, how to go through the approval process, and how to use that knowledge base article in a case. Thank you.